So today we're going to be checking out some fresh hairstyles that you can wear this spring season. We started the video off with someone who has a Bixie style haircut. And the stylist proceeds to cut the hair into this super cute pixie. This does feature some bangs going there in the front. Stylist added a nice amount of texture for this, really adds some height and volume overall to the cuts, really creating a nice little chic, messy feel. Now moving on to look number 2. Now she has hair around mid-length. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Looks like she dyed it this gorgeous chocolate brown hue. Now, usually the summer, spring season is when a lot of women decide to go lighter, but I love the fact that she went darker here. This chocolate brown color is absolutely beautiful, and I love the bangs with the bob. For transformation number 3, looks like this one is also going to feature a bob. So they kind of play around with the length hair, deciding which one they want to go with. Now we are seeing a lot of bangs this season, so if you want a simple, sophisticated, stylish way to kind of shake up your hair, definitely opt for some bangs. This looks super cute with the bob. Ooh. Loving the way that this turned out. Very stylish. Oh, so it looks like we are having, now this is a new trend I've kind of been noticing, where the stylist is coloring the edges of the hair, like the nape, the front portion, and this is really just adding some color overall, some dimension to the hair. Let me know what you guys think of this trend. Now, obviously, this isn't done yet, but let me know what you guys think of this trend. Would you be willing to try it out yourself? I might make a whole video on it. It's definitely one that takes a lot of precision. There is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of this trend. I actually think it's really pretty, like the way that it just kind of highlights the face. Wow, gorgeous. So I actually thought that that was going to be the final look before, but the actual final look top tier. Beautiful way to add in some color to really make the face pop. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.